you guys? Today, I'm unboxing new perfumes from the house of Maison Alhambra. And then a special, super pretty PR box from Lattafa. I'm so excited, I'm shaking. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, because I'm doing great, and I don't know how to act, okay? I do not know how to act. I have one PR box from Lattafa that's just giving me tingles. It's just making me super happy to share with you. But later, we're going to unbox that last, so stay till the end. We're going to unbox two perfumes from the house of Maison Alhambra, Luxe Chic and Luxe Nightlife. All these were kindly sent over to me from Lattafa, Nigeria. Thank you, Lattafa, Nigeria. Wing lady is your lady. La 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 la. What is wrong with me? God, I sing when I get too excited. Just bear with me. I'm just excited. Okay, I'm going to tone it down. Tone it down. Tone it down. Tone it down. Okay, that's better. So, the first one is Luxe Nightlife from the house of Maison Alhambra. And this one, because it's blue, I'm thinking it's going to be tailored to men. What do you think? Because blue fragrances, usually, they are tailored to men. You know, when it comes in a blue packaging or when it comes in a black packaging, it's usually for the men. Then when it comes in a pink packaging, you know, or like colorful packaging, it's for the ladies. Now look at this beautiful box. Stunning. Yeah, nightlife. I totally understand. Look at the lights. Let's unbox this baby and check out how she smells. Oh, look at her. The blue is stunning. She sits in here, by the way. You guys, please, please. The blue, you can't tell from the camera. In real life, it's actually super sparkly. It's super duper sparkly. I cannot wait to try this juice. Keep it together, wing lady. Keep it together. Keep it together. Atomizer is beautiful. Beautiful atomizer. I'm impressed with the atomizer. But the fragrance. Oh, I knew. It's blue. It's fresh. It's masculine, soapy, clean, blue, fresh fragrance. Oh my God, it even stings my nose a little bit. The freshness is intense. I wonder what kind of citrus fruit they put in here to make it this fresh, because boy, is this fresh. I'm getting a lot of florals, a lot of freshness, blueness, grassiness. I don't know what the notes are, because right off, it's sweet. It's not a very sweet fragrance. It's sweet, and I catch a bit of vanilla, but it's highly floral, highly fresh, and very blue. I don't know what sort of notes they concocted together to get this amazing blue, fresh, juicy fragrance, but this is better suited to men. My gentlemen, if you like fresh fragrances, I don't know how long this is going to last or how the performance is going to be. If it's going to be intense, obviously I'm coming with a maceration update for you. I don't know how intense it's actually going to be, but if you like fresh, blue, green, masculine fragrances, this is you. Okay, this is you. Let's go check the notes. For the notes of Luxe Nightlife, at the top you have gardenia, carnation, and jasmine. Heavy florals at the top. At the heart you have patchouli, flowers, and sandalwood. More flowers and sandalwood. And then sea notes. C note is giving it fresh aquatic. Then at the base you have caramel and coffee. That is strange. I really do not smell coffee or like caramelly vibes in here. I smell more like vanilla in here. Anyway, this is for my gentlemen. Gentlemen on wing lady. Yeah, this is you. If you like fresh blue fragrances, you're definitely going to enjoy this Luxe Nightlife for my gentlemen. My ladies too can wear it, but if you don't mind freshness, okay, if you don't mind freshness, ozonic, aquatic, blue fragrances, then you would enjoy this. The second one, Luxe Chic. I'm guessing this one is made with my ladies in mind. So let's check it out. Ah, baby girls, I think this is going to be for us. I think this is going to be for us because it's called Luxe Chic. Oof. Okay, it opens just like the first one. Oh, so cute, so white. Ah, yeah, I like pretty bottles. I like pretty bottles. They give me the tingles. Let's check this one out, okay? Atomizer is not bad on this one. I mean, it's not my favorite, but not bad. This one is soft, floral, clean, musky, clean girl scent. Softness, a bit of citruses, clean, musky, sweet, fresh, citrusy. Clean girls, hello clean girls, not baby girls, clean girls. This is you. Yeah. That does something. There's something about a beautiful, clean, fresh fragrance that makes you feel classy. Yeah, they got the name right. Chic. Luxe Chic, a luxurious kind of chic. This is what this fragrance is giving. Ladies, if you like clean scents, not really fruity, juicy, you know, clean, fresh, sweet, soapy, floral, you will definitely enjoy Luxe Chic. But if you're not that kind of girl, you might not really like this one. But clean girls, this is you. Let's go find the notes, but yeah. For Luxe Chic, at the top, it has white flowers and bergamot. At the heart, it has jasmine, rose, and spicy notes. At the base, it has sandalwood, vanilla, and amber. If you like florals, white florals, the jasmine, the white flowers, you're going to enjoy this. It has a bit of musk too, so that makes it a bit sensual. I really cannot wait for it to macerate. When it macerates, I'm pretty sure it's going to change. So far, I like this. It's not an intense fragrance, okay? It's not like super duper strong. It might get stronger with maceration, but this is good. My classy ladies, my chic ladies, you would enjoy this one. So, yeah. Yeah. So, now on to the PR box from Lattafa. You guys, this is so pretty. I cannot stop giggling. I cannot stop giggling. This is Yara Candy from Lattafa in her own special pink bag. She's so cute, you guys. I'm going to show you. Don't worry. It has Yara printed all through. You know what? Lattafa made this one Yara that I absolutely cannot get enough of. And then they sent me one. Welcome home, baby. I'm gonna love you. I mean, I already loved you. I mean, you guys know, I already love her. Look at her sitting so beautifully in here. Oh my God, this is so cute. Okay. A new Yara has entered into my collection and she is never leaving. I'm just gonna spray her out, you know, for first time's sake. I don't even know. Don't judge me right now. I'm super duper excited. You cannot blame me. Let me have my moment. Okay, so here we go. Oh my God, this smells really good. You know what? I'm gonna compare it with my original Yara, the old one. So this is the old one and this is the new one. Now I'm gonna spray this old one and let's see. Oh, you guys, maceration is a thing. Maceration is a thing. This one smells deeper, denser, richer, sweeter than this one. This is new, this is old. I mean, not that old, but you get it. Now I can go ahead and use my Yara however I want. I've been sort of like, saving it for special occasions because of that kind of fragrance. But right now, I don't have to save it. Yeah, I can just go ahead and bathe in it because I have 2 bottles. Guys, I love this fragrance. Thank you so much, Lattafa Nigeria, for sending this over to me. I really appreciate. You can tell I'm really, really appreciating it, right? Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video until the very end. If you enjoyed it, please like it, and subscribe to my channel for more of me. If you want a one-on-one with me, click the link in my description box and say hi to me in my WhatsApp DM. And if you want to follow me on social media, on Instagram it's winglady_, and then on TikTok it's winglady_beauty. And until next time, I love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.